在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Po。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。Alice， 你有在养猫养狗吗
？No，没有。
其实养猫养狗，其实我很喜欢，这两个都喜欢。可是麻烦，如果出国的时候要人家照顾，
对呀，要托人家照顾，对不对？那你就花钱呗。
也可以啊，住那种宠物旅馆啦。
对呀，住的比人还好。
不，如果朋友很会照顾，就交给他照顾就好了，就比较安心一点嘛。Okay, and that's exactly what we're teaching you this month. 安心 ，no worries.
安心
And we're going to talk about, let's say you have pets at home and you're going to go abroad and you need someone else to take care of them. Your friend's going to say, no worries, go have fun, okay? 好，我下个月要出国，你可以帮我喂猫吗？ Next month I'm going abroad. Can you take care of my cat?
捱下陣嘢，愛出國，唔做得，老捱聽書，V 喵嘅毛。
哦，喵诶，应该就是喵喵啊 ，That's the cat, right? I caught the cat. 喵诶，所以喵诶 ，That's cat. 那前面那个就是在喂咯，是不是？
对。
V that means to feed, okay? And of course, when we ask our friend to feed the cat, not just to feed the cat, but just to take care of the cat. That's what literally means too. Okay, 没问题，那你就安心去玩吧 ，No problem. Don't worry and have fun.
冇問題。就安心去了好嘞。
你就安心去玩吧。对嘛，撩啊，赶快去玩啦，
回来再付费。
OK， 然后最后当然要感谢他啦，真是感谢你 ，I really appreciate it。
懂感呛哦。
OK， 好像真的要呛啊，要请客的样子哦。
要感谢人家吗？
感呛就是感谢，that means to。appreciate, not just the thing, 不是按字 say 而已，是感谢啦，然后请吃一顿好餐嘛，这样子。Okay, well, let's review some of these phrases. So if next time you need to have someone help you, you know how to say it. 出国 to go abroad.
出國
Okay, and then the cat is called
喵誒。
万一我们有听众是养狗，那狗怎么说？
叫誒。
If you have a dog, then say 叫誒。Okay, that's a dog. And then 感謝, which means more than thank you. It's from the bottom of my heart too, to appreciate something. 感謝.
感謝.
Okay, and it's all about the phrase again. No worries. 安心. And there you have it. Another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.